Hi, it's Johnny here to tell you about the Arc GT2, a premium refillable vape kit designed for vapers who want power, simplicity and style in one refined device. The Arc GT2 continues the trusted Arc family, with a high quality metal body, durable glass tank and a clean ergonomic design that feels solid in the hand. Available in black, blue and pink, the Arc GT2 delivers performance with personality. At the heart of the device is a powerful 3200 mAh battery, built to keep you vaping longer between charges. With fast USB-C charging and up to 80 watts of adjustable power, the Arc GT2 gives you the flexibility to tailor your vape exactly the way you like it. What makes the Arc GT2 stand out is its simplified adjustability. Whether you prefer adjustable wattage or voltage control through RTA mode, everything is easy to set up and easy to lock in. The built-in multifunction lock switch helps prevent accidental changes, making it perfect for everyday use. The GT2 tank features a convenient slide and top fill design for quick, mess-free refills. And with adjustable airflow, you can fine-tune your draw for a smooth and satisfying vape experience. The Arc GT2 is compatible with all available GTL atomizer heads, giving you the flexibility to explore different vaping styles. The included 0.8 ohm GTL coil is ideal for mouth-to-lung vaping and efficient power use, making this device a true set and forget solution. Now, if you're looking for a premium refillable device with long battery life, reliable performance and effortless usability, the Arc GT2 was built for you.